Hi, I asked you, you need to on your microphone. I did not hear you anything.
Oh, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, perfect. Yes,
Okay. I couldn't hear you before. You couldn't hear me. Sorry, my friend. I thought you could hear me.
yes, I can hear perfectly. Yeah. Go
Okay, okay, okay.
ahead. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so basically what it is that I'm trying to look for a C here, right? I want to see discussion, feature, reels, media. I want to have a questions there.
Yes.
So people can ask questions. But so if I go, you know, I've tried everything. I've tried. You're the third guy, by the way, my friend. Third guy. that tried this. So I don't know if we can figure it out. But I can see the tab here only is discussion. It doesn't say anything else. I want to change. I want to add another one. Um, but you know how to add it or not?
Actually, here is I found the on option to go. You need to go membership portion. Actually, I have also a public group, and
No, no, no.
I
This
have
is public. No, public's different than private, though, my friend. Public different. Private's different, right? Private's more rules. That's why it's harder. Public, I know, but private is different.
okay. I understood. I understood.
Yeah.
Mm,
That's one thing. The private one we can't. Why? That's what
actually,
public for.
can you please try to create avoiding the check mark option? You just create
This?
no. Can I please share my screen and
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, sure. Let me stop my screen here. Okay,
okay,
go ahead.
okay.
You try. Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I do.
Here is a participant request, right?
Okay, how do I get that?
And here is option to create new question. You check box. You need to write an answer. So
Yeah.
if I type,
Where does it go? These questions. Where are they posted?
here is a question already added, and my member, if found this question, they answered perfectly.
Yeah.
Can you please try with this?
I can type this. No, 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 no. This is the participation question. This is after you're in the group or before? This is a public group, my friend. It's different. Public, right?
Yes, but I hope the group system or sitting is maybe same.
It's different. It's different, my friend. That's why I'm having trouble.
You have already tried, right?
Yeah, it's if it was the same, it would be no problem. But private groups have different settings. It has to be private. I have a private group.
Okay,
No
okay,
public.
okay. Stop my screen and share. Please share your screen.
Yeah. Yeah. So you see, mine's private group. Yours says public. Mine's private.
Okay.
So maybe I can change it to make it public, and then people cannot just go in. I think they have to be invited in, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm thinking if I change it to public, but how do I change to public? Maybe
you change your group to public.
Yeah, privacy.
Yes.
Can't check all transfers. Man, you can find join the group with hide the group and join the group then. Okay. Privacy. So hidden, visible, or hidden. There's no option now. Because I created a private group, I cannot change it.
Okay, I mean, if you want to create public group, please create new one or create new
Yeah, but
one.
I don't want to create a public group, my friend. I don't want to create another one now. I already have a group, right? So I just want to see what I can do, but it doesn't look like I can. Yeah, looks like I can, my friend. This is not gonna work. This is not gonna happen. So that's okay, my friend. It's not gonna work.
Rick, can I assist you?
Yeah.
Another task, right? Facebook ads, Google ads, Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics 4.
Is that what you do?
Yes, I can do perfectly. Can you please visit my profile? Yes, perfect.
Oh, I see. So you have all this stuff, eh?
Yeah.
So you do Google ads, charge Facebook ads. Okay. I see. So what do you charge for this stuff? Facebook ads.
Yes, Facebook ads and Google ads and server side tracking, Facebook data deduplication, Google Analytics reporting, Google Data Studio. I can perfectly and
Well, what's the cost, my friend, to run Facebook ads?
okay, well, I will help you to create a profitable run Facebook ads. First of all, I will research buying keywords, keyword match type, targeting audience, such as demographic, location, and language, specific target. So we can arrive the targeted customer and boost your sales and conversion. And also I will help you reporting, remarketing, retargeting. Have you run any ads for your business? And Rick, can you please little bit more about your business and goals?
I will, my friend. Right now, it's 9 o'clock at night here, 9:15, late night. I'm gonna go to sleep soon. But I'll keep your number, I'll keep your profile, okay? And I'll be in touch with you if I want to do Facebook ads, because that's what I will be doing. And I'll keep in touch with you. All right?
Yeah.
Because I don't have time right now, my friend, to talk about it. I'm very tired of late night now. It's nighttime, I'm going to go to sleep. So, but I'll keep in touch with you, and we can, we'll see what we can do. Work together.
Okay. I am waiting for your upcoming project, and I hope I will provide my best service and make you happy.
Okay, my friend.
Have a
Thank you so
good
much
night. Have a good night.
You too, my friend. Have a good night.
Bye.